Alrighty guys, we're gonna be looking at a bunch of old sleds in a barn. How bad can they be?
They're the Bear Creek boys?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
You guys actually from Bear Creek?
That's where all of our stuff is. Yep,
Oh,
Bear
yeah?
Creek. Yep, near New London.
I dated a girl from Bear Creek, so.
Oh no. Was it, are you still with her? Okay, he's not with her. Was she a looker?
Yeah.
Really? Nice, dude. That honestly is pretty rare in those parts. So that's good, that's good.
You know Torvilles?
The what?
Torvilles?
Sounds
So we don't actually, we're not from Bear Creek, so like our father has a place up there. He's been there about 10 or 12 years.
Right, 12, 13 years.
We've went to the local Tabby how many times and seen the attractions, but like other than
much traction.
You gotta get at
So-
Christmas time when the families come.
Oh, yeah.
then you get some lookers, yeah. But you go to New London or Clintonville, it gets worse, I think.
Yeah.
We might be better off in Bear Creek. So anyways, guys, we're here. We're looking at some vintage iron to potentially add to the collection. A lot of evinrude Johnsons here. Mark, what'd you see so far?
They're alright.
That's good. That's real good.
I'd be willing to tangle with the collection. They're inside.
Yeah, that helps.
Some bird fecal, which they will come home to more, so
Right.
they're already like kind of feeling for being at home.
Right, right.
But they're together.
Yeah, so we're gonna just give them a quick evaluation here. See, I know they pulled a lot of ropes already. Mostly, like I said, OMCs. Newer stuff though. This is gonna be 70 to 74 models, and there's a couple 76s, the Bicentennial.
Yep.
And you said that one turned over?
Yes.
Okay. But yeah,
Yes.
good barn freshies here. How long do you think they've been in the barn, Ethan?
This barn was only like 2 years, but they were a previous barn for 15,
Okay.
well, 17 years.
17, yeah, close to 20.
Barn years.
Yes.
The 17 or 15 years of barn dust was power washed off.
Oh,
So this is a clean tube.
that's nice.
Makes sense. It looks about it.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh.
All poop is not baked into it.
So there is a 76 650 skimmer, and then another 440 skimmer. Heavy old Skeeter, but you said that one's tight on the end?
No, the one on the tight is light in the loafers.
Oh, she just seems a little... Maybe the compression release is just stuck.
It could be.
Right.
Possible.
Seats on them aren't the worst.
No.
You know, they're still better than most.
Down on that one, but the other one.
Right, we won't talk about that, but other than... Yeah, they're not bad. These quiet flights all turned, Caleb?
Yeah.
Yeah, they feel good.
Yep. The other one. I checked the other one. The other one.
Yeah.
Oh, 19, never mind.
The one with the rope hanging out, I did put my hand on the clutch and it's not tight.
Oh, this one.
Check this one.
These are pretty much what all the same quiet flights, like
This
73s.
one doesn't have a motor.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it does. Where's the freaking pull rope?
There's no pull rope.
Oh
That's
boy.
Yeah, it turns on. And this is a Reveler, I think.
Yeah, Johnson.
And this one turned over.
Yes.
Okay. This Caleb is like that Bobcat that we have,
Yeah.
like a 71,
Yep.
basically.
Reveler.
Yeah, Revelers.
This is like their copy of it. I assume.
Trying to think.
Okay.
What do you got underneath there? Some fuzz.
Some mice.
Some stinky.
Stinky. Ooh.
So yeah, that Reveler's not bad.
Yeah.
Chassis are
a
rough,
weird
but I don't
seat.
see any giant holes.
No big holes, huh?
No.
No.
Bumpers are all good.
Yeah.
Okay. And he's keeping the cutter
Yep.
and a couple of select sleds. Like I think you said you're keeping that 25, the Astro,
And
the Cougar, and then the cutter. And obviously these cats guys are not part of it.
And the kitty cats.
And the kitty cat. Sweet looking dude. That's like got like an LT gray seat
Yeah.
though. That looks
That's the
sweet.
later 80s.
Oh, much more reliable with the Predator.
Oh.
Yeah. A couple motors. What do we got for motors here, Caleb?
There's a TR 340 out of like
Rupp?
Rupp maybe.
Yeah, that'd be a Rupp motor.
Bunch of opposed.
Just opposed stuff, yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
basically a bunch of opposed. And then
Couple
over-
hoods.
and then over
Hoods up there.
Yeah.
Bunch of bogies.
there. Bunch of miscellaneous parts. Tank out of something or other.
Something weird there, yeah.
Yeah.
Exhaust pipes.
Hood.
Mm-hmm.
More
Mm-hmm.
Bicentennial.
Yeah, no,
Enough of those.
like we didn't have enough, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And the Cobra too goes with.
The coat.
Did it turn over?
I did not check.
I think you said it did. Yeah. You're like, surprisingly, it turns over.
Yeah.
How's under the hood look? You want to poke it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there. I just missed the carbs there. Yeah. She's there. In spirit. Make some extra stuff with it. Maybe the,
Hydraulic brake.
yeah, so that's not bad. Okay. Yeah, how are the tanks? Most of them got plastic tanks, I think. Dry?
Dry, but they're stinky.
Yeah.
Except that one. That one's obviously the gas would still be flammable.
Yep.
Yeah.
It
Yeah, I
smells-
said that one
it
rode
smells-
most
smells-
recently.
It smells good.
The JX. Oh, they don't have. That one might have a decent seat on it. Okay. Yeah. Not terrible. Electric start.
30 Reveler.
Yeah, the Reveler. Yep. Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. Real good.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, some of these, they had the tanks in the front. Yeah. And some are in the back. Yeah, she's still got good fuzz underneath her.
Oh my GX400.
I know. Yeah.
This one's actually got a solid chassis. All the other ones are rusted up.
Right. The chassis is still decent on it. Yeah. Oh, and the throttle still moves. Came out of Reedsville. Sales and service there.
Hell yeah.
Carl Luballs.
87 last registration.
Yeah. The motor turns.
Can starter just.
Is there? Oh, there she goes. Yep.
Oh, it does.
Yep. These recoils are always
Angled recoil.
terrible on them. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to.
Mm-hmm.
I saw it hanging out, and I yanked a little, and I'm like,
No, that's all good. There's some random
Before it
wire
goes-
over
Is that
here.
650 looks or?
Mark said it turned over, I think.
Let's
Yeah.
put these two backwards.
Yeah. Did the hood lift up on that one? Yeah.
Cool.
Big honker.
Big
You thought these were heavy? Wait till you lift that one. Heavy, dude. Heavy. Heavy.
Alright.
Sweet. Yeah, it looks good.
Very cool.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll have to get really strong.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Very strong.
I'll take it.
Yeah, we get. Does the hay come with? Do we get the hay
I
bales?
appreciate the head.
Yeah. To soften the load. That's a super nice Astro, though. That'll be a good rider for you. Get that.
I got it close to run it.
Yeah, that's a nice. Those are. Our brother-in-law's got a couple of these. This is an rubber. Yeah. Yeah, there's just some random stuff there. Yeah, these tracks would be kind of cool to use.
Yeah.
Not in the worst shape. Some cleated ones.
Yeah.
But these would be for the wide ones would be the tough to say, but maybe Massey's potentially.
Name that tank, Spike.
Name that tank. That is,
Is that Cougar look familiar? I only had a couple of those, right? Yeah.
boy, yeah, we had a lot of them. They're fast when they're running. Fast when they're running.
Yeah. Like
When they're not, they're heavy.
twin carb one, yeah.
Yeah.
Like that clutch on mine. That P85 we put.
Yeah, I totally got you on that.
Bastards.
The motors, are they all stuck? You just spin them?
No,
all?
they're all free. They're all free.
Anything that was tight, you threw in the junk bin.
Yep.
Aw. Dang,
Boating.
Nabbit.
Eat it when you're for boating.
Dang, Nabbit. Nice. Well, sweet, yeah.
Cool.
That's gonna be something to work with, I guess. How many was there total? Did you guys do a count?
15.
15? 16? 16 in parts.
Oh, you got 16?
16.
16 in parts, okay. Yeah. It didn't even have a front end accident. Really, I mean, that was just came
Definitely
out. No, that's good.
16 with this one.
It's got the factory rope in there, so when they towed it out from that crash.
Yep.
Probably.
Dude, but it surprisingly just missed the pipe. Look at that.
That's insane.
Look at how close it was to hit
It's all
the
that
pipe.
angle iron on the hoods, you know.
Oh, right.
Sounds like it has good compression.
Yeah.
We'll give it a
See,
go.
the thing, it's got a. It almost has that because it has the offset headlight like a
TX
TX does,
style,
but
yeah.
it's just like it,
Yeah.
but slower.
Oh, wait, slow.
This tank's like an outboard.
It's got the cigarette holder on it.
That's like a OMC tank. Skimmer tank uses that cap. Alrighty, guys. So we struck up a deal with Ethan here. We're gonna get these sleds picked up maybe in the next month. It's about a month out.
About a month out.
He's kind enough to let us keep him here for the time being, so we can get here. We got some stuff going on, and he's busy, so should work out. But yeah, a bunch more Evinrude and Johnsons are coming home, and we'll have our work cut out for us. So yeah, at least they are in a barn and there's a floor.
Yeah.
So. We got our nice dolly. We got that bigger dolly.
Yeah.
And he's got one.
Double dolly.
I got the pads at home for that.
Oh, sweet.
And we got a fairly large one. And we just got to talk to
If you got
Mark.
2 guys dollying, you know, you can
Get the trailer. Thanks to Ethan for hooking us up with some snowmobiles. I'm sure we'll send him some photos of them when we get them home and revive them
again.
Yeah, nice another washing. Yeah. So, and he's got a nice fleet of. They're all ZLs. I think.
We've got a ton of those hoods. Like that red, green, and
Yep. Those are all like 99 to 01,
Yep.
I think, models. Sweet rigs. Very cool. But yeah, well, look forward to seeing us back here in about 30 days from now with a trailer. And we gotta get all those parts we'll throw in. And yeah, I guess it's time to.
No bees.
Yeah.
I didn't see a single bee.
Yeah, there was.
It's a
I was
good
surprised,
day.
Ethan. I was
It's a
honestly
good
thinking I was
day.
going to be getting attacked by like a straight wasp nest when I opened the hood.
Two
So
kitties, no bees. I like that.
Yeah. And no mice because of kitties.
it was the wrong kind of key. I didn't find the right one. It's in the snowmobile somewhere.
Yeah.
Those exhaust pipes, you look at them just right. There's an orifice.
Yep.
So, alrighty. Until next time. Where are we off to next, dude? Quick Trip? I need coffee.
I stopped at Quick Trip and McDonald's waiting for your happy hour.
All right, I need to get
guy's
coffee. Basically, to recap that, we ended up purchasing those sleds from Ethan there. Super nice fella. Letting us keep them there for a couple weeks till we can get them picked up. Probably all in one shot. We'll try to get some footage of that, hauling them home. And then, of course, look forward to the revivals of all those sleds. They're actually in pretty decent shape. So we will try to revive all the ones that we can, of course. And the ones that don't make the revival list will be part sleds for us. With that being said, hopefully you guys hit the subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and come back when we go and get those sleds in about a month from now, mid-July, most likely. And yeah, should be a fun time. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. We'll see you in the next video.